If you have ever worried about losing coins, this is your safety class in turbo mode.
I will show you how seeds, keys, and addresses actually work.
You will finish with confidence and 0 tears.
Let us start with a myth check. A wallet does not hold your coins. Your coins live on the blockchain. Your wallet holds secrets that unlock those coins.
Those secrets are cryptographic keys.
There is a private key and a public key.
The private key is the master secret you never share. The public key is derived from it and can be shown to anyone. From the public key, you get an address that people use to pay you.
Think of it like a mailbox that accepts letters, but only you have the key. Now, the star of the show is the seed phrase.
A seed is a list of human-readable words. Usually it is 12 or 24 words. Those words encode enough randomness to regenerate your keys.
Modern wallets are deterministic from that seed.
That means one seed can create a tree of many key pairs and addresses.
This is why a single backup can recover your whole wallet. Lose the device and you can still restore with the seed. Lose the seed and the device and you are cooked. So we protect the seed like a dragon protects treasure.
Write it by hand on something that lasts. Store it in a place only you can access.
Do not take a photo.
Do not upload it to the cloud. Do not paste it into a chat.
Do not tell the nice voice on the phone.
Anyone with a seed can move your funds.
No password reset exists on a blockchain.
Some wallets let you add a passphrase on top of the seed. People call it the 25th word. It creates a different set of keys from the same seed. It can hide a decoy wallet if someone forces you to unlock.
Powerful, but only if you never forget the passphrase.
If you forget it, recovery becomes impossible. You can also split backups across locations.
You might store parts in different places to reduce single-point failure.
Advanced users may use Shamir-style shares. That lets you require several pieces to rebuild the seed.
Great security, but only if you can actually recover it under stress.
Keep your plans simple enough to succeed on a bad day.
Let us zoom in on addresses.
Bitcoin has several formats, like Legacy and SegWit. And Bec32,
they look different but still point to the network you used to generate them.
Ethereum addresses start with a hex-style prefix and use a checksum.
Different chains have different formats and different rules.
Always match the network when you send. Sending to the wrong network can trap your funds.
Some chains require a memo or a tag. If an exchange shows a memo, use it.
No memo often means no credit.
When in doubt, send a tiny test first, then send the rest after it confirms. Never copy an address from random search results. Clipboard malware can swap addresses.
Read the first and last characters before you approve. Better yet, verify the address on the hardware screen.
Your eyes on the device.
Beat your eyes on the computer.
Now, the hot versus cold question. A hot wallet connects to the internet. It is fast and convenient for daily moves. It is also exposed to malware and phishing. A cold wallet keeps the private key offline.
Hardware wallets are popular for T.
His reason.
They sign transactions inside the device.
Key never leaves the secure chip.
You still have to verify what you are signing.
A hardware wallet is not a magic amulet. Update firmware from official sources only.
Use a cable from a trusted place.
Set a strong device pin. Back up the seed once and store it safely. If the device breaks, your seed brings the funds back.
Custodial versus self-custody is another fork in the road.
A custodial wallet means someone else holds the keys for you. You get convenience and password recovery, but you trust that company.
Self-custody means you hold the keys yourself. You get sovereignty, but you carry the responsibility.
Pick what fits your skills and your risk tolerance. You can mix both styles for different purposes.
Let us talk about signing.
Signing proves you control a key without revealing it.
When you click sign on a wallet, read what you are signing.
On smart contract chains, you may grant token approvals. That can let a contract move your tokens. Use a reputable revoke tool to clean old approvals. Review approvals after you try new apps.
Phishing is the final boss of crypto safety. Scammers pretend to be support and ask for your seed. Real support will never ask for your seed. Scammers build fake sites with perfect logos and stolen text. Bookmark official links and use them from your bookmarks. Check the address bar and the certificate. Move slow when money is involved. No airdrop is worth a rushed click. Let us clear up recovery. If you lose the phone or the laptop, breathe. Install the wallet app on a new device. Choose Restore with Seed. Type each word in order with calm focus. Your addresses will reappear when the wallet scans the chain. You can also restore on a different brand of wallet if it supports the same standards. Buy P39 seeds are widely compatible across many tools. Derivation paths can differ across wallets. If your balance looks empty after restore, check the path setting. Your funds are still on chain waiting for the right path.
Privacy matters too.
Reusing the same address reveals patterns. Many wallets create a new receive address each time. That helps reduce linkability. Public blockchains are transparent by design. Anyone can look up transactions on an explorer. Protect your identity by controlling what you share. You can also create a watch-only wallet. It tracks balances with public keys or addresses only. It cannot spend funds because it has no private key. Great for accounting and peace of mind. Multisig is another upgrade for safety. You can require 2 keys out of 3 to spend. That protects you from a single lost device or a single theft. You can keep 1 key offline, 1 with a hardware device, and 1 in a backup. It adds steps but removes single point failure. Test your setup before you trust it with big amounts. Do 1 small send and 1 small recovery practice. Write your steps in plain language for your future self. Now the speed round of danger signs. No one legit will airdrop riches for your seed phrase. No one legit will fix your stuck transaction for a fee sent to a random chat. No one legit will call you first and ask to remote control your screen. Staying safe is mostly about slow breathing and reading screens. Re is your memory anchor. Seed equals ultimate backup. Private key equals spend power. Public key equals verify power. Address equals where funds are sent. Losing the seed is losing the keys to the kingdom. Sharing the seed is gifting the kingdom to a stranger. Protect the seed and the rest becomes manageable. You are now ready to use wallets without panic. You know the difference between hot and cold. You know how to back up and restore. You know how to avoid phishing and fake prompts. You know why. Network and address format matter. You know how to test with small amounts first. You know that your plan must work on a bad day. If this guide saved you from at least 1 future facepalm, show it some love. Like the video and hit subscribe for more clear crypto lessons delivered at light speed. Drop a comment with the next topic you want me to decode. This content is educational only and not financial advice.